Squealing little. I'm getting better with orientation.
Oh,
I broke something. No, we're good. Good thing for Nano. I think I might have the blade a little too tight.
Yeah.
But
I found out the hard way that breaks shit.
yeah. Soft start up. Already an idle up. You better get off the ground.
That's a hiccup. Holy shit!
What's Pepper think about it?
Huh? Little bastard dog. I'm really liking the damn batteries you got. Wheel! Not bad for first time.
Mm-mm. Yeah, tail rotor.
It was so good too. I had him look over and see the camera roll. Damn it! So that's why they don't. That's why I say never take your eyes off the damn thing.
Yeah.
I'm telling you what, that damn thing has lasted a long damn time with other racks.
Oh, I know. It ain't bad for electrical tape.
You gotta figure out which way it's pointed first.
Yeah, it's going backwards somewhere.
When in doubt.